Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS on your own. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and how your performance is scored. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective preparation. Next, develop a practical study plan that fits your daily routine, ensuring you dedicate consistent time to each skill. Finally, pinpoint areas where you excel and those needing more attention, allowing you to focus your efforts strategically for maximum improvement. To excel in reading, engage with a variety of academic articles and journals. Focus on understanding main ideas and specific details, aiming to improve your reading speed over time. For listening, immerse yourself in English audio content like podcasts, documentaries, and news broadcasts. Pay close attention to accents and intonation. Regularly take full-length practice tests for both sections, timing yourself to build stamina and familiarity with the question types. For speaking, record your responses to common IELTS questions. Listen back critically to pinpoint areas for improvement in pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. In writing, practice both Task 1 and Task 2 essays, paying close attention to structure, vocabulary, and grammatical accuracy. Try to get feedback on your practice essays and speaking responses from a tutor or a proficient English speaker to gain valuable insights and correct mistakes. As you near your exam date, dedicate time to reviewing common grammatical pitfalls and actively expanding your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary can significantly boost your scores across all sections. Remember to prioritize self-care, ensuring you get enough rest and manage any pre-exam stress. A calm and focused mind performs best. Also, for a fantastic way to enhance your home environment, check out the Echo Dot Smart Speaker. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Good luck with your IELTS journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.